This is Excel 2016, a step-by-step from Lesson 4, Understanding and Displaying Formulas. I've opened a new blank workbook. I'm going to click in cell A1 and I'm going to type equal 7 plus 8 multiply by 3 divided by 2 minus 4. And I'll press enter. I have just entered a formula. Excel now displays the result of that formula in cell A1 while displaying the formula itself in the formula bar. If I make it the active cell, if I double click, I can now modify the formula here in the cell or in the formula bar. I'll hit enter. I am going to save this workbook in my class folder, and I am going to name it as instructed with my last name, first name, and 04 formula practice solution, and submit this with the assignment.